Okay, turning onto Bunches Creek Road off of Big Cove Road. Okay, up here at the forks of the road, we have Creek Campground. This is an exceptional campground for a good base camp if you want to do some riding back in here. Because all you have to do is get on your motorcycle, pull out of your campsite, and you're on dirt. I'm going to slow roll through some of the campground, show you some of the sights. If you ever want to come camp up here, come see John, Janet, and crew. Really nice people. Now, this is not a party campground. At 10 o'clock, they strictly enforce quiet time. Got cabins you can rent, RV sites with full hookup. Got primitive sites across the creek. More primitive cabins. And this is the end of it on the Indian Creek side. Pretty views of the creek. They have super clean bathhouses. Here's the store. They keep it pretty well stocked. About anything you need. This is the Bunches Creek side of the campground. This is their premium creekside sites. They don't have full hookup though, they do have electricity. Nice little playground for the kids. And they have more sites along the road. They go off down into the creek. Some of them are fairly secluded for campsites. Let's head up the mountain. Road turns to gravel here. came up here on our side-by-side Sunday. The road was a little rutted, but overall it's in great shape. Just enough ruts to challenge you a touch. Got a really nice creek. Pretty good fishing in there. Up here to the bridge, and then I think it turns into tribal only water. What I said about the road being a little bit rutted, washed out. Nothing to be concerned about. But you still gotta pay attention or some of them will bite you. A lot of these roads kind of parallel the Blue Ridge Parkway. Oh, one thing I like about this BMW, you can lug this thing down to where it's just about to stop. Roll the throttle a little bit, she picks up and goes on. Love the torque. Surprised we haven't saw any wildlife back in here. I saw bear, deer, elk. Snakes. Don't do without the snakes. It's a gorgeous overlook right here, looking down into Cherokee, across the reservation. Parallel with the Blue Ridge Parkway right now, if you can see it down there. I like to ride the parkway, but I'll take this any day. Sometimes I just get off of my own little world back in here. I forget to talk or narrate these videos. It's just So peaceful. Oh, see something go up the bank. What the heck was it? Deer. Hey girl. She was pretty. Well, we got to see a little bit of wildlife today. Now then, we're rolling into Mile High Campground. Pretty much a primitive campground. Doesn't have the amenities that Indian Creek's got. You know, some people, that's what they come up here for. I come up here just to for the views and the peace and quiet, and to get away from all the amenities. Imagine waking up and seeing this first thing in the morning. What a way to start your day. And I don't guess you have to guess the elevation up here. It's Mile High Campground, so they're mile high. Overlook over here. You can see forever. This road's a whole lot more fun coming up. Blue Ridge Parkway to your right. And if you watched my Hintuga ride video, this is where you turn off to go to Hintuga. And we cross under the Blue Ridge Parkway right here. Yeah, pretty cool graffiti. I don't think that I'm going to have enough time, battery, to ride all of these roads today, but I'm just kind of hitting on some of the ones that I enjoy. I'd be doing a lot of backtracking if you got them all. This road, if you turn left, will take you out High Cove and eventually to US 19 on top of Soco Gap. I do a lot of standing on my adventure bike when I'm riding off-road. Probably a lot more than I actually need to. What's y'all's take on it? You stand a lot? You sit a lot? I can't stand like I used to. I get tired. You know, I feel more in control. I feel like that bike can just roll around under me and do whatever it wants. You know, every time I get back in the woods like this, I really don't want to fail to give God some praises. Blessing us with a beautiful spot like this. Let me live back in here. Giving me the help and the means to get back in here. The Lord is good every day, all the time. Yeah, I've been thankful. I've been blessed with a retirement and a good after retirement job. Got a few things I'd like to pay off before I totally retire. But I'm just glad my health is good enough to let me keep working. Alright, down here we have Chiens Creek crossing, water crossing. Not too bad at all. Keep going down this road and you'll run into US 19 again. This is Chiens Creek Road. This is the other side of Chiens Creek. It's 73 degrees, I'm starting to work up a sweat. Get home this afternoon. We're going to go out to eat with some friends. My wife told me to get her bike out. I'm excited about that. I always enjoy riding with my wife. She has an Indian Scout. She doesn't get back and do the gravel roads with me, but I'm hoping one day I can get her to. Now she loves it back in here on the side by side. She can drive one too, scares me to death sometimes. 73 degrees. It's warming up back in here. I'm not sure to be riding in 73 as I would 83 or 93. This climb Carlsbad stuff that I've got, it works pretty good keeping you cool. If you open the vents on it, you actually get some air flowing. This GSA with this wide tank, air doesn't flow too well sometimes. Okay, we're back on Dobson Ridge Road again. We're coming up on the intersection where we come up on Bunches Creek earlier. Got the Blue Ridge Parkway again right here. We're going to come under it. Back on pavement now, and looks like back to the hustle and bustle of tourist traffic on Blue Ridge Parkway. Can't hear anything for these stupid tires roaring. One last stop. This is the Thomas Divide Overlook. It's supposed to be haunted, and I can tell you firsthand, you come up here at night on a clear night, and you'll see lights and things that you can't understand.